Hello guys, and today we are taking out the trash cans on a rainy day. Only these four, 2 trash, 1 recycling one. My hands are all slimy.
Don't go too fast or she'll slip.
Yeah. If tomorrow's going to be a rainy day, then the trash will be heavier.
Slippery spot.
Oh my god, there's so much. Oh, it's all green now. My hands are all slimy.
Around the puddle.
Slippery spot. There's a body part of a bee, I think. Yeah, that's a bee. At least the rain washed the trash cans a little bit.
Okay. Now we're gonna do what?
A magic trick. I'm gonna teleport in 3, 2, 1. Boom! And now we're here. Now we're taking the green one.
Oh no, the hose. Always in the way. We need to get a hose stand over here.
God, those are... It's empty.
We have no green waste?
No, we have no green. Wait, but I mean, there's a trash bag, a compostable, like one tiny one. Can we take it out?
Mm-mm.
Sorry, anyways, but we can't take you out. I'm sure Anthony's
It's
happy.
empty.
Just recycle.
Just 2 trash and 1 recycling. Yeah. Why 3?
And 2 trash.
Yeah, I said 2 trash and 1 recycling. Hannes was probably carrying the green waste and he was like, why is it so light?
Yeah, it was really light.
puddle.
Oh, I see oil.
Oh man.
Oh, there's ketchup. I mean, we might fill up the tank, but on a rainy day doing lawn stuff, I don't think. Bye guys, see you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.